In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change dashboard appearance on Cloudflare. If you'd like your Cloudflare dashboard to match your personal style or your device's theme, this is quick to set up. We'll walk through two simple paths using the direct appearance option if it's visible and using the profile menu if it isn't. Either way, you'll be able to switch between light mode, dark mode, or a system-based theme in just a moment. First, open your Cloudflare account and sign in so you're on the main dashboard. Once you're in, look for an option labeled Appearance. On many layouts, this shows up right away, and it's the fastest way to change your theme. Click Appearance, and you'll see three choices. Light mode gives you a bright, high-contrast look that works well in well-lit rooms. Dark mode softens the interface and reduces glare, which many people prefer in low light or for long sessions. System matches whatever your operating system or device is set to use. If your computer automatically switches between light and dark at certain times of day, choosing system will mirror that behavior in your Cloudflare dashboard. As soon as you select one of these options, the change should apply immediately so you can preview how it feels. If the update doesn't appear right away, give the page a second to refresh. In most cases, it's instant. If you don't see the appearance option in your dashboard view, no problem. Click Profile. You'll typically find Profile in the upper right area of the dashboard. Inside your profile settings, locate the Appearance section. The same three choices, light, dark, and system, will be there. Pick the one you prefer, and your dashboard will switch over without needing an extra save step. A few quick notes to help you decide. Light mode is helpful in bright environments and for screenshots that need maximum clarity. Dark mode can reduce eye strain, especially if you're working late or prefer a lower luminance interface. System is great if you want your dashboard to stay in sync with your device's theme automatically. Remember, this is a personal display preference. It only affects how the Cloudflare dashboard looks to you, and it doesn't impact your website's traffic or security settings in any way. That's it. Open your Cloudflare account, choose Appearance directly if you see it, or go through Profile if you don't, and select the theme that feels best. Enjoy a dashboard that matches your workflow and your environment.